Donkey kicks are great for both stability and toning. They target your gluteus maximus, the largest of your 3 glute muscles and the bulk of your booty. They also work your core and shoulder muscles, since your entire body has to remain stable while your leg lifts. This exercise is especially beneficial for anyone who has a desk job. It helps stretch the hip in the opposite direction that we hold it when we sit. Donkey kicks can be a great warm-up or part of an active workout. Donkey kicks are such easy exercises to make your booty bigger. They are a great addition to a booty workout. They are also beneficial in a workout because they also strengthen your hips and stretch your hip flexors. How to do donkey kicks? Your knees and feet should be hip-wide apart, and your hands should be directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your core in a neutral position. Use your glute to kick your working leg directly back as high as it will go without compromising your hip position. Squeeze at the top. Continue these small concentrated pulses. You should do all your reps on one leg, then switch to the other.